Qeema Hari Mirch Dhamaka and Kachumar salad. Authentic Hari Mirch Keema. Assalam-o-Alaikum. Half a kilogram minced meat with bones. 3/4 tablespoon salt. 1 teaspoon cumin. 2 onions. 2 tablespoons ginger garlic paste. And half a cup of water. Add all these. Cover it. Cook for 45 minutes. Add 4 tablespoons of ghee. Now 12 coarsely chopped green chillies. Add 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Roast until fragrant. Delicious Hari Mirch Keema is ready. Now chop onion, coriander, and ginger in a bowl to make kachumar, and add salt and lemon juice. Enjoy authentic Hari Mirch Keema with hot Puri Parathas and kachumar. And remember me in your prayers. For more perfect recipes and best tips, must subscribe to my channel.